On the 5th of December, the Russian troops inflicted a massive strike with high-precision long-range air and sea-based weapons against military command and control system, defense facilities and related energy facilities of Ukraine. The objective of the strike has been achieved. All designated targets were hit. As a result of the strike, the production and repair of Ukrainian arms at defense industry enterprises have been halted. Railway transportation of the military equipment for the Ukrainian armed forces, including foreign-made equipment, has been disrupted. Transportation of reserves to the battlefields is hampered. It's to be noted that there have been no missile strikes on the city of Kiev. In the Krasny Liman direction, the Russian troops carried out offensive that resulted in gaining favorable lines and new positions. More than 80 Ukrainian personnel, 2 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 2 pickup trucks were neutralized by artillery fire, assault and army aviation strikes. In the Kupiansk direction, the enemy's attempt to attack in the direction of Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic was foiled by preemptive artillery fire on the Ukrainian Armed Forces concentration area. Up to 65 Ukrainian personnel, 2 armored fighting vehicles and 1 pickup truck were eliminated. In the Donetsk direction, Russian troops' offensive successfully continues. Attempts by Ukrainian Armed Forces to counter-attack Russian units near Spornoye, Kurdyumovka and Marinka of Donetsk People's Republic have been repulsed. More than 60 Ukrainian personnel and 5 armored fighting vehicles were destroyed during the day. In the South Donetsk direction, the enemy unsuccessfully tried to regain lost positions in the areas of Vladimirovka of Donetsk People's Republic and Novodarovka in Zaporozhye region. The Ukrainian units were halted by airstrikes and artillery fire and pushed back to their initial positions. The enemy's casualties were more than 30 Ukrainian personnel killed and injured, 2 infantry fighting vehicles and 3 motor vehicles. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery struck 4 enemy command posts in the areas of Kupiansk of Kharkov region, Stepnoye of Zaporozhye region, Kramatorsk and Artyomovsk of Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 83 Ukrainian artillery units in firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 176 areas were engaged. A provisional base for foreign mercenaries near Ilychovka in Kharkov region has been hit. 1 radar of Ukrainian S-300 air defense system was neutralized near Andreevka of Donetsk People's Republic. 3 storage sites for missile and artillery weapons and ammunition have been destroyed near Gulaipole, Stepnoye and Primorskoye in Zaporozhye region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force near Yasnivoye of Donetsk People's Republic. 6 unmanned aerial vehicles were destroyed by air defense systems in the districts of Olkhovatka of Kharkov region, Zhitlovka, Stelmachovka of Lugansk People's Republic, Vasilyovka and Sladkoye of Zaporozhye region. Additionally, 15 HIMARS and Uragan MLRS projectiles were intercepted in the districts of Komisarovka of Lugansk People's Republic, Bogdanovka of Kherson region, Tokmak and Melitopol in Zaporozhye region. 2 US-manufactured HARM anti-radiation missiles have been intercepted near Morozovka of Kherson region. In total, 340 airplanes and 180 helicopters, 2,634 unmanned aerial vehicles, 391 air defense missile systems, 7,010 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 910 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,662 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,484 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Віддали свої життя, щоб врятувати Україну і свободу. Вічна пам'ять усім, чиї життя забрала російська агресія. Слава усім, хто здобуває перемогу для України. Я дякую кожному і кожній, хто допомагає нам і працює заради держави. Слава Україні!